Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th exercise 3.6 question number first part fifth. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solution. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical method. There are three types of algebraical method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by algebraical methods, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. In this question I want to describe about reducing system. It means how you can reduce the given equation and how you can find the value of x and the value of y. Clear? It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind. Clear? See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.6 question number 5. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Question first part 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. It is given equation. You solve it by reducing system and find the value of x and the value of y. Clear? Here 7x minus 2y by x y equal to 5 or you can write it as 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy equal to 5. You can write it as clear. Here xy common on both 7x and minus 2y. Clear? So you separate it. It becomes 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy equal to 5. Clear? Cut it. Here x and x, y and y. It becomes 7 by y minus 2y x equal to 5. Clear? Now let x 1 by x equal to u. Let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v, 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. Here 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. Clear? Then your equation become minus 2u plus 7v equal to 5. It is equation first. It is equation first. Clear? And here 8x plus 7y by xy, 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. R. You separate it. It become 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. Clear? Cut it. X and x, y and y. It become 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15. Equal to 15. It is clear? You can write it. Then 7u plus 8v equal to 15. Equation second. It is equation second. Clear? 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15. Then equation become 7u plus 8v equal to 15. Clear? Equation first and equation second. Equation first according to this and equation second according to this. Clear? Here minus 2u and here 7u. So you multiply by 7 in equation first and minus 2 by minus 2 in equation second. Or you can multiply by 7 in equation second and by 8 in equation first. Clear? Multiply by 7, this 7 by 7 in equation second and multiply by 8 in equation first. Multiply by 7 in equation second, multiply by 8 in equation first. Here 7, here 8. Clear? It become, here it is 2u. Clear? 8 multiply by 8 in 2u plus 7v equal to 5. It become minus 16v, 16u minus 16u plus 56v equal to 40. Equation third. It is equation third. Here 8 2 ja 16 minus 16u, 8 7 ja 56 plus 56v, 8 5 ja 40. Now multiply by 7 in equation second. 7 7 ja 49u and 49u plus 7 8 जा 56b equal to 7 multiply by 15 105 15 7 जा 105 equation 4 it is equation 4 you find equation third and equation 4 now you subtract equation third from equation 4 clear subtract equation third from equation 4 clear equation 4 is 49u plus 56v equal to 105 equation 4 equation 3 is minus 16u plus 56v equal to 40 equation 3rd draw a line and change its sign here minus so you write plus here plus so you write minus here plus so you write minus now you cut plus 56v and minus 56v clear here plus 49u and plus 16u so you add it become plus 65u equal to here 105 minus 40 subtract it becomes 65 clear 65 and 65 cut u equal to 1 you find u equal to 1 clear now put u equal to 1 in equation 4 R3 put in equation 4 in equation 4 clear equation 4 49u plus 56v equal to 105 equation 4 clear put 1 u equal to 1 here 49 multiply 1 plus 56v equal to 105 it become 49 plus 56v equal to 105 you can write 49 on the right side of equal it become 56v equal to 105 minus 49 clear 56v equal to 56 you cut 56 and 56 you find v equal to 1 you find u equal to here 1 and here v equal to 1 now here 1 by x equal to u equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by 1 cross multiply r x equal to 1 you find x equal to 1 and v equal to here you let v equal to 1 by y 1 by y equal to here you find b equal to 1 you can write it 1 by 1 and cross multiply r it become y equal to 1 hence we find x equal to 1 y equal to 1 we solve equation question 5 equation first part fifth and we find x equal to 1 y equal to 1 by reducing system in this way you can solve any question very easily and you can find your answer very easily. Clear? No confusion about it. Solution is clear. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget. Like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Okay.